2010 Dodge Challenger RT, 5.7 liter V8 HEMI. Got factory converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe, and we just did a muffler delete on it, mid muffler, right there and right there. There's that suitcase muffler we took off, right there. And then we left the rear resonators on it. He's probably gonna come back and take those off next in about a week or so. They usually do. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There she is. Mid muffler delete. That's what it sounds like with a mid delete. Here's the sound decibels. Go ahead. 109. That's not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. You like it, or you want louder?
No, I'm happy with that. Wait,
Of course.
of course.
We can do the backs next. Go on the channel, listen to them, you'll see.
What would it cost me to turn that before?
Same thing. Go ahead. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger RT. HEMI. Like the saying goes, HEMI, HEMI, HEMI. Road and track, baby.